Hello students, how are you? Myself Dr. Urmal, Assistant Professor of Political Science. Today we have discussed about the another topic of class 11 Political Science, Rajasthan Board English Medium. Today we have discussed about the what's about the political theory. Today in this particular video we have discussed about the what is the political theory. Theory word theory word origin by the a Greek language word theoria, and theoria is meaning is that centralized one view. Clear? Theory word origin by a theoria. It is a Greek language word, and what is the meaning of this word is centralize one view. For example, these theories. Theory is the collection of the particular ideas. Basically, theory is the collection of the particular idea. Clear? For the example, Gandhism. For the example, Gandhism, socialism, and liberalism. For the example, Gandhism, socialism, and liberalism. For the example, Gandhism. Gandhism theory, political theory, emphasize on the non-violence, truth, and non-violence. For the example, Gandhian political theory emphasize on the non-violence and truth. Gandhian political theory emphasize on the non-violence and truth. Non-violence and truth. Non-violence means ahimsa and truth is satya. Clear? So it is the Gandhian. It is the Gandhian ideology. It is a Gandhism. It is a Gandhism. Clear? Because in this particular way, the Gandhian ideology emphasizes on the non-violence and truth. Clear? So it is the political theory. Clear? Theory basically connected to the imaginary studies, imaginary studies and ideas. Theory basically connected to the imaginary studies and ideas belong to our conscious mind. It is called to political theory. Clear? So theoria is the a Greek language word, and what is the meaning of this word is? The meaning of this word is the centralized view, the centralized one view of any ideas. Clear? And Gandhian ideology basically emphasize on the non-violence and truth. Gandhian ideology basically emphasizes on the non-violence and truth. Clear? Non-violence and truth. Okay. And the political theory basically emphasizes on the imaginary studies and ideas. Clear? Imaginary studies and ideas. Clear? And for the example, Gandhian ideology. Second example is Marxism. The Marxist theory basically emphasizes on the social and economic equality. So this is the collection of the ideas. It is the collection of the ideas of Karl Marx. What is the Marxism theory? The Marxism theory is the collection of the ideas of the Karl Marx, and he emphasized on the social and economic equality. It is a collection of the Marxist theory. Clear? It is a collection of the Marxist ideas. Clear, student? So, what is the meaning of political theory? In this particular way, when we are discuss about the imaginary studies and ideas about the politics, because theory is not in only one area. For example, scientific theory, biological theory, chemical theory, historical theory, economic theory. So, in this particular view, we are discuss about the political theory, and political theory connected to the political imaginary ideas, political thinking, political institutions. Clear? So theory word is the origin by the a Greek language word theoria, and what is the meaning of this? Centralize one views. And what is the meaning of basically theory? the theory is the collection of the ideas. The theory is the collection of the ideas, thinkings. For the example, Marxism theory and Gandhian theory, Gandhism theory. Okay, students? Thank you.